Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says solve the following. -7 minus 2x is less than 9. And so the process to solve an inequality is very similar to the process to solve an equation. Again, if I have to divide or multiply by a negative value at the end, or even in the middle of the problem, I have to reverse the inequality symbol. But I'm going to start out with the same process as I would use for an equation. The left side is in simplest form, and so is the right side. And so now I can work to get my variable term by itself. So I'm going to take the opposite of -7 on both sides, which is +7. And so -7 plus 7 is 0. 0 minus 2x is -2x. And that will be less than 9 plus 7 is 16. And now I have to make the coefficient equal to 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by -2 in order to make -2 divided by 2 and get 1. But in dividing by a negative, I have to reverse this inequality symbol. I have to flip it over, and so less than will become greater than. So -2 divided by -2 is 1x. X is now greater than 16 divided by -2 is -8. I can also show that on a number line in graphic form. The number that I'm interested in is -8. Since it's only greater than -8, I'm going to use an open circle. And numbers that are greater than -8 will be graphed to the right. And so I have x is greater than -8 in algebraic form answer, and I have the graph form x is greater than -8 on the number line.